Hello there, YouTube. Today is Wednesday. It's my day off. I think it's January 3rd. I left early this morning. Not early as I thought, but before 8. Left when it was 45 degrees, so it's a little chilly. What is it now? 56. It's warming up. But I'm heading up to Caddo Mills to see what kind of progress we're having on our property and if they're even building yet. My son hasn't. He lives like 10 miles from where we're building, and he hasn't been able to get up there in several weeks. So I'm gonna take a ride, see what's going on. It'll warm up. It's supposed to warm up in the 70s, maybe 60s up there, but it's like 74 where I'm at in Leander, but a little warm, a little cooler up that way. But that's okay. I got warm clothes on. I brought all the clothes I need to stay warm or even cool. I can shed. It's really hard to press the button on this GoPro with these heavy gloves on. I got some heavy insulated gloves on because it's chilly. But I'll turn it on when I get up there, and hopefully we'll see some good progress. Bye. Okay, I already walked through this once with my phone with my wife, but this is what they're doing on our property now. Starting the foundation, which is kind of cool. I don't have stabilization on, so it might be a little jumpy. Yeah, so they're working on the foundation, doing some work. Finally doing some work. Yeah, foundation work. Oh, that's the house. This is my shop. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. I could probably fill that up pretty quick. That's the shop. And the apartment is back here. We're building about a 569 square foot apartment back behind the shop. Oh, the shop's not as big as I thought it was going to be. That's kind of a bummer. I've got some cedar trees to get rid of. I don't want anything to do with cedar trees. Them are going to go. All these cedar trees are going to go. Anyway, I got to go around the neighborhood and see what's going on. It's nice. They're doing some work. Once they get this done, they're going to be bagging it and laying concrete. Goes all the way back there. Let me walk back there real quick. Property goes so far back that you can't even hear construction going on. Yeah, these cedar trees got to go. There's a lot of scrub trees back here that got to go, but I saw some big 14-inch trees back here that are keepers too. Yeah. These little sticker trees got to go. These little sticker bushes. Thorn bushes. Those big thorns. Great big thorns. Look at the size of those thorns. Those got to go. Ooh, look at the anthill. Whoa. I'm not going to kick that thing. Okay, which way did I walk through here before? Yeah, it was a clear... got a path. Oh, here we go. I don't think there's any rattlesnakes out. Yeah, it's wet back here. Oh, look at all the deer tracks. There's a lot of deer back here. Oh, this goes way back. See, there's some nice trees back here too. So here's one edge of my property right here. This is the right edge, and ouch, in the back. See this? You know, right back here. I get a dead tree across the creek, but here's the edge of my property, and it goes straight that. It goes at an angle that way. It's wider up front, so it goes that way. It backs up to there. But here's one edge. There's another edge way. Here's a creek. I got a creek in the back. There's another edge way over here somewhere. I saw it once a long time ago. See, we got some really nice trees back here too. I don't know where the other edge was. I don't think it goes this far. Oh well, they'll have it all marked out eventually, but oh, there it is over there, way over there. Here we go. I don't know if that's mine or not. Oh well, it used to be marked. I don't think that's mine way over here by this creek. That's probably his there. Well, maybe not. I walked back this way. We've got some pretty nice trees back here. I haven't heard any rattlesnakes yet. Got some dead trees too. Yeah, see, there we go. That is it. That is it. That's the other side. Ugh. Right here. There's my other side. And it goes back that way. Goes right next to this guy's house. My property. Oh gosh. Well, hold on. Property goes right next to this guy's house over here on this side. So my property goes really close to his house, and then he's got a little bitty side piece, and that's probably about it. But mine goes straight back. So that's how wide it is. Over to that thing way over there, all the way back here. So pretty cool. Anyway, pretty long. Bye. Okay, there's my place. I'm gonna ride around and look at all the new construction. They're filling up this entire neighborhood, which is kind of cool. That one's moved in. Oh, here's another one of my neighbors. Oh, good. He's gonna have the white stone and brick. That's what we're gonna do. He's already pricked out his stone and brick. We got an Excel spreadsheet to start picking out stone, brick, fixtures, everything. Oh, look at there. There's another brand new one there. Look at they're starting all these homes. It's not a very big neighborhood, but I was surprised that they had so many lots that they weren't building on yet, but they're sold. Everything's sold here. These are kind of cool. They got little ponds in the backyard. Oh, that one's almost done. I didn't see a shop though. I like shops. Look, there's a nice pond back there, and it actually looks blue. They must have put dye in it. Look back there. Looks pretty. They got paddle boats. All of these are sold, but they're not building on them, which is kind of weird. See, everybody's got a shop, which is nice. I think there's one here that has an apartment on the back of it. It might be that one right there. Kind of hard to see. I think you can see it from the side. This is a brand new shop here. He just built that. I like the overhang on it. What do they call them? Pretty nice. Everybody's got these little bitty dishes, and they tell me that's for internet. It hits some kind of a tower for internet. One of these homes we walked through, this one up here, we walked through when they were building it. The shop wasn't there yet, but the concrete was there. So that's cool. Got lots of nice trees. I don't know what kind of television they have. Look at this one. They got a cool little pond here. There's my neighbor there. He's farther along than I am. See, you can see right where the property line goes. Right at that stick right there, and it goes way back that way. So I have most of this. He only has a little piece. Mine goes way back at an angle that way. Here's another new one. This wasn't even here last time we were here. Oh wow, that one wasn't here either. So these are brand spanking new. I talked to these people last time I was here. That one's new. That lot's sold too. Oh, look at here. They're building on this one. And there's still a lot here. There's 4 acres that it's sold, but I don't know how they're going to get on. It's probably skinny up front, but really big in the back. Ooh, they got a nice, great big tree back there. Oh, I'm going to have to walk through some of these homes. I'm going to take a peek.